Hello and welcome back to Medical. Today I am going to discuss with you PanaNatural Cough Syrup, the uses, side effects, interactions, contraindications, and users benefits of these medicines. Today I am going to discuss with you in this video, friends. The PanaNatural mainly regarding to the cough, who are all having the wet cough as well as dry cough. The wet cough and dry cough, the variation is those people who are having the wet cough is belongs to that the wet cough with phlegm while they are spitting. The dry cough is nothing but without that phlegm and sputum is called the dry cough. So mainly the ingredients which are all contains in the PanaNatural syrup is belongs to, it contains the different types of ingredients which are all the Polifractin M.A. the complex is mainly extracted from the Ribwort Plantain and Marshmallow and polyphenol fractions from the Agrimony. So mainly it belongs to the natural ingredient and it doesn't contain any type of chemical ingredient, friends. So this is 100% natural based syrup. It is manufactured by the GSK Pharmaceuticals and it will comes with that 128 grams of syrup. So it is cost around in the whole Gulf it is about the 33 grams. So and also contains the soothing effect which is the honey. Honey is our ancient medicine which is mostly used for the cough. Honey with pepper nigrum, that means honey with pepper if you are giving means normally the cough will go. Even though if cough is not going for you means just go ahead with this PanaNatural cough syrup. It is mostly so it will protect both the upper respiratory pathway and as well as the lower respiratory, or all having the productive cough, and it will soothe the dry cough also. So it is multiple effect on the cough, friends. So this Polifractin M.A is mainly based on, it will mostly affect on the syrup cough. So how to take the instruction for the use of this PanaNatural syrup, which are for the kids, the child 1 to 6 years, they should take 5 ml twice a day, the course of a day, friends. And who are all having the 6 years, above 6 years, they should take 10 ml twice a day for over the period of 3 to 4 days, friends. And also who are all the adults, they also should take 3 times a day over for 3 to 4 days. So most of them they will get healed by using this PanaNatural. If they don't have, if doesn't get reduce your cough and productive cough as well as wet cough, so you should go and suggestion with get the doctor suggestion, friends. This is the major uses and side effects I have discussed with you. I will come back with new video, friends. Till that, keep supporting us our channel. This is our channel, keep supporting us our channel. And if our growing is mainly regarding to these medicines, we have to share the medicinal information to all the peoples who don't know and how to take the medicines, friends. The appearance of this, it contains this is the amber color bottle as well as it is this box cartoon, and also it contains the 1 tablespoon which is the measuring about 5 ml. The user's side effects and interactions, there is no interactions about this, so no need to worry about that. And contraindications also not mentioned, friends, because it's totally belongs to the natural grade. So this is the user's side effects and contraindication have discussed.